Ever since the arrest of Bengaluru CEO and startup founder, this gruesome murder case has definitely rattled both Goa as well as Karnataka. It all started when the mother and child checked into a service apartment in Goa's Candolim, and as she walked out on Monday morning, the hotel staff as well as the cleaning staff realized that the child was missing and there were bloodstains in her room. This set the ball rolling. They immediately alerted the Goa cops. The Goa cops immediately caught hold of the taxi driver on the phone, and she had hired a cab from Goa to Bengaluru, and the taxi driver was contacted by the Goa cops, and the taxi driver mentioned that they were in Chitradurga at that point in time. The cops instructed him or directed him to drive to the nearest police station, which was the I Mangala police station in Chitradurga. They were working in tandem with the Chitradurga cops, who searched her vehicle and found the body of the 4-year-old child inside the luggage. She was detained. The Goa cops rushed there, and now we hear that she is in 6 days police custody, and the police have 6 days to find all the missing pieces and piece them together. Now, the post-mortem of the child was done last evening, and disturbing details that have emerged: the child was smothered to death. No strangulation by the use of hands, but then was smothered using perhaps a pillow or a piece of cloth. No injury marks, no wound marks, no signs of any kind of struggle. But then the face as well as the chest were found swollen because of the smothering and suffocation. And second is the veins could have possibly exploded, and that is why the child's nose was also found bleeding. We hear that she was in an estranged relationship with the husband. The husband was incidentally in Indonesia at the time of the incident. The husband was asked to rush back to Karnataka. The postmortem was done only after he saw the child. Now we hear that the cremation is over in Bengaluru's Rajajinagar. Further details will emerge once the cops interrogate the several leads as well as the husband and other relatives in this particular family. Of course, the interrogation of the lady will also happen simultaneously. But key questions that have emerged from this is: why would she take this drastic step? Because since the estranged relationship that I was talking about has also been proven with court documents that have emerged, have been accessed by NDTV, which really claim that she had filed a domestic violence case as well. They were married in the year 2010. The child was born in 2019. They were living separately since 2021. Apart from the divorce proceedings, she had filed this case of domestic violence, and the court had even given or issued a restraining order barring the husband from visiting her residence or meeting the child. But then she had claimed or asked for a maintenance fee to be provided by the husband, a sum of around 2 lakh rupees, claiming that he earns more than around 9 lakh rupees per month. While this case is on, set this aside. Now, key questions are: was she really distressed because of this relationship? Was it a pre-planned murder? Was it an accident? These are several questions that are still doing the rounds, but the answers to this will emerge in due course of time once the cops complete their interrogation. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman in Goa for NDTV.